Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Tusheleni miss up on the plan of NOMSA. Sizakele found that the institution of qualification of NOMSA is Tusheleni is the manager. And Sizakele, it seems like he got disappointed about NOMSA qualification. And NOMSA begged Sizakele not to tell HRE about her false-filed qualifications. But Sizakele tell anyway, and NOMSA loses out on their job. A plastic bag contains a toy oil truck is what leads Punyuka to the suspicions that Zetulele is Lindile killer. And he goes to Zetulele to ask him about the accident of Slindile. And Zetulele seems like he wants to refuse, but Punyuka tell that the toy that found on the accident is for him. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.